Hello and welcome to this brief tutorial about the Canvas Editor page in AI version 7. The Canvas Editor page allows the user to have precise control over how your image or media is applied to your 3D model. This allows content creators to make very accurate content which takes advantage of the specific design of a particular setup. This means the user can manipulate the texture and determine how it is applied to the 3D model. This is also known as UV mapping. Firstly, on the right-hand side of the screen, we have the selection tools, which determine how you select elements of the UV map. We can select using vertices, edges, faces, or by polygons. If we are using a multi-object fixture, we can toggle the object mode on and off using this icon and move on to the next mesh or the previous mesh. Finally, we have a toggle view between large 3D stage visualization with small canvas or small visualization and large canvas. On the left-hand side of the screen, we have the next set of tools, which are the editing functions. The first will allow us to move the selected coordinates. The next one allows us to rotate the coordinates, and the next one allows us to scale. The next two allow us to mirror our selected coordinates vertically or horizontally, and we can also invert the selection. Finally, we have reset selected coordinates to the model's default. Along the top, there are also some automatic remapping tools. The first allows us to remap vertices to a flat surface. The second allows us to remap vertices to a cylinder, and the next one allows us to remap our vertices to a sphere. The fourth icon, Remap from Projector, will map the object from the point of view of a selected projector. This allows for the creation of perspective illusion mapping from the sweet spot point of view, generally the audience. This function is particularly useful if you cannot put the projector in exactly the same place for each show, meaning that your content doesn't need to be re-rendered each time. The next button allows you to export a Targa file that you can give to your content creators to use as a template to create their content into, ensuring that any material they produce will match the layout for that particular screen or model. The final button allows you to save your edited model. You need to do this after making changes to the model in the Canvas Editor page. This model does not replace the original model, but is added to the loaded models list, allowing you to switch between them at will and achieve dynamic changes to the screen layout during shows. The final set of manipulation tools is the Numerical Transformations. These can be found by going to the System settings in the top level window and choosing Numerical Coordinate Editing. These tools allow you to be very accurate in creating your UV map, rather than having to move everything by hand. For more help and tutorials, please visit our website www.avolitesmedia.com.